Hello, YouTube. Joe Holbrook here, the cloud tech guy here. Wanted to do a quick shout out and let you know that a brand new course is being launched on O'Reilly Safari Online. This is live online training. This is not essentially recorded and you go and view it at your convenience. This is actually going to be live online. It'll be for 2 days, 4 hours per day, a total of 8 hours of Hyperledger training. Now, this is going to be focused for IT professionals that would really want to understand what a blockchain is, but also why Hyperledger is really the permission-based choice when it comes to blockchain technology. Now, generally, when we talk about blockchains, it's really important to know what kind of applications could be deployed on this platform, but also what are the use cases. Now, for those folks familiar with the Hyperledger project, you understand that it's really not just one blockchain, but a whole collection of blockchains. And we're going to specifically talk about Hyperledger Fabric. We're going to go ahead and talk about the terminology, the concepts. We'll talk about why Hyperledger has advantages over other blockchains. We're going to talk about concepts and use cases and identities and transactions and just about anything that you'd want to know at a high to mid level, especially if you're like a pre-sales engineer or a systems engineer, more focused on selling solutions. This is going to help you understand why your customers may want to talk about blockchain, but also Hyperledger Fabric specifically. We're going to go ahead and talk about its frameworks, services, capabilities. And this will also help folks as well if you just want to become blockchain savvy and become an engineer or developer as well. This is the 101 course to help get you started. When it comes to prerequisites, we're going to hopefully you're going to have some kind of knowledge in basic networking, programming, and architecture. If you do have specifically Golang, Java, JavaScript, it could be helpful as well. This course, though, is really more of an introductory. We will talk some specifics, of course, around development, because that's really important to understand, even for pre-sales folks at a specific level. So I hope to see you there. This is the first of several Hyperledger and other blockchain courses that are coming to O'Reilly Safari Online. I'm really excited to be participating in the Safari service, and I hope to see you there. And for those that are interested, the link for the classes that will be in September and October for Hyperledger Fabric are usually released about 45 days ahead of time. So right now I have a course scheduled for September 18th, and then a course scheduled for October 18th and 19th as well. I hope to see you there, and I'm really looking forward to working with you to get you trained up in Hyperledger Fabric and enabled to help your organizations become more blockchain savvy.